Hello guys, welcome to my channel Germany Unscripted with Ashish. So our semester break is going on and now I am going to one of the best scenic islands of Spain, which is Palma. So Germans also say Palma is their 17th state because most of the Germans travel to this place. This airport is called Düsseldorf Beach, so it is far from Düsseldorf, so it's not anywhere near to Düsseldorf. But this airport is specifically operated by Ryanair, and the flights which fly from here are only Ryanair's flight. So guys, this slice of Margherita pizza costed 6 euros, but we had coupon of 4 euros. Parth, how's it?
No, it's okay.
Amay, what are you going to take?
I just had a homemade paratha we bought. So now I should look for options what we can buy. There are some chips or maybe
But they might be too expensive because coffee only costs here around 4.5 euros. So guys, finally it's 8:15 p.m. and we are boarding the flight. So yeah, see you in Palma. So guys, it's 12:30 and finally we landed in the airport. After sitting in the plane, they made an announcement due to the clearance from ATC. Then again our flight got delayed by 45 minutes. So now finally at 12:30 we are here at Palma airport. We are here today at the beautiful Cathedral of Palma. So behind me is the cathedral, you can see. So now we are going there. Entry fee to the cathedral is 10 euro and since we are in Germany, Parth and Amay, I think this is the place where we can see less Indians.
yes.
Yeah. Let's explore how it's from inside. So guys, just now finished with the cathedral. So this was the one of the best cathedral I have ever seen. I like the cathedral so much. It was a Gothic architecture and it was looking modern, vibrant, colorful. गाइस हम अभी प्राइवेट बोट में आ गए हैं. इधर से हमारी एक 3.5 आवर्स की बोट राइड है. वहाँ पे हम स्नॉर्कलिंग करने वाले हैं, स्विमिंग. सो द टिकट फॉर दिस वाज अराउंड 39 euros पर पर्सन. We just had swimming in the middle of ocean with crystal clear water, and now we are enjoying this beautiful boat ride. So guys, just now we completed our boat tour. We swim 2 times in different locations, and then it was a wonderful experience. I think it's a must-do thing when you are in Palma. The sea is actually nice. The views are also nice. So overall, I enjoyed it. And now we will be having our dinner. It's 7 p.m. At 8 p.m. we will have our dinner, and we will head back to our hotel and we'll take the rest. So guys, it's day 2 of our trip. We completed our breakfast from our hotel.
So now we are just walking on the beach. Maybe we can also go for a swim.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a bit cloudy today.
Yeah, sunny would have been a better,
Yeah.
but nonetheless, we will have a short swim.
I think the water is very clean, and there's lot less people here as compared to India.
Main thing I see in the Palma Island is like it's very clean.
Yes.
Though
I expected a lot of people, but it's not very crowded.
so guys, we just completed swimming.
It was nice. We can literally see fishes. The water is so clean, and it is also cold. So
Yeah,
feeling is
and
too nice.
this was the one of the best beaches I have ever been to.
must visit.
So guys, it's 5 p.m. in the evening, and today for almost like 5 hours I have swum. So like my wish for swimming has been fulfilled. So guys, it's 8:30 p.m. in the evening. Now we will go and have our dinner. So it's our last evening in the Palma today. Tomorrow morning we have flight at around 9 a.m. in the morning.
Yes.
So Palma was really good.
Yes, really good.
I think it's a must visit at least once. Because,
Okay.
if you're in Germany especially because you have a lot of discounts with Ryanair and other airlines.
Yeah, the flight ticket only costed us 60 euro
60 euro.
for round trip,
Yes.
and the stay costed us around 110 euros per person with
Yeah.
breakfast.
For 3 nights.
For
Yeah,
3
for
nights.
3 nights. The sunset was
Yeah.
beautiful.
Yes.
Then we can see like the island over there, and there are frequent plane landings also we are watching. Then we will see you in next vlog. Tomorrow we will be traveling. Yeah, so see you. See you
Like and
in
subscribe.
next trip. Yeah.
Yes.
Hopefully. मुझे सब बैग संभालने की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज दी है इन लोगों ने.